All right, you guys are gonna have to give me some ideas of what kind of rock would be around this area.
Sedimentary.
Which one do you think is sedimentary?
That one.
Gonna need you to speak up a little bit when you're talking in class, okay?
What were the types of rock?
Igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic.
And we're trying to figure out which one comes from volcanoes?
Yes, you're gonna look at the picture and you're gonna tell me either what type of rock you think it is or where I would find it. What kind of rock do you think you would find at the bottom of the sea?
Pebble.
Not a pebble.
Sedimentary? With layers of buildup?
Okay, that's a good thought. All right, that's a good thought. What kind of rock do you think this would be? Has lots of little rocks inside of it.
Coral. No, that would be at the sea. That
Well,
would-
it's not coral. What type? A sedimentary, a metamorphic, or an igneous? Rocks are hard, right? It is actually really hard to figure out what kind of rock this is.
It is hard.
We're going to be learning about 3 types of rocks. We are going to be learning about igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. And when we take our quiz today, you guys are going to get a 10 out of 12 rocks correct, okay? That's an 83%. All right, looking up here, we have all different types of rocks. Can somebody give me a name of a rock that they know? Raise your hand. Carrie?
Sedimentary rock.
Which one do you think is sedimentary?
I
This
think
one?
it's the one with the line.
The lines. Oh, that's a good observation. Let's go ahead and look in there.
Oh.
The first one that we are going to be doing is igneous. Okay, so here we have an igneous rock. These are all pictures of igneous rocks, and this is just like the volcano on our hook, where you might find igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are formed through the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. Where can you find these? Deep seafloor, around volcanoes, and hot spots like Hawaii. All right, I'm gonna bring this around to each group so that you guys can touch and feel and look at it, okay? There's group A, there you go. Do you see how dark that is? Sometimes they're light too, you know?
Yes.
It's heavy or light?
It's heavy-ish.
Anna, do you wanna feel it?
Yes. Ooh, look at all this.
All right, let me take that back up. Sedimentary rocks are formed from sediment. They are deposited over time. A characteristic of this type of rock is that it shows layers. This can be seen in cliffs and mountains. This is a rock that is composed of many other little rocks. So here we have a sedimentary rock. Where can we find these? Near sources of water where a lot of erosion takes place. We can find them by ponds, coasts, and in riverbeds. Even deserts, as all the weathering will make these rocks be there too. So I'm gonna pass this out to our groups, and you guys are gonna go ahead and look at those sedimentary rocks and feel them. What do you guys think? Do you think that's heavier than the last rock we did?
I think it's lighter.
It's lighter.
Look at all those layers.
You'll see in there that has lots of layers. As many layers as this?
Yes.
No, that's a huge cliff. There won't be as many layers. That's a little rock. All right, we're gonna move right along to metamorphic rock. Our last rock that we're gonna learn about is a metamorphic rock, and that's what we have right here. Metamorphic rocks start out as other types of rocks, but substantially change from sedimentary, igneous, or early metamorphic forms. When rocks are exposed to high heat or high pressure, these combinations might cause the change to metamorphic rock. These have a wide range of color and luster. Where can we find these? Usually in a mountain. Usually in a mountain range where high pressure squeezes rocks together. Rocky Mountains, the Alps, and the Himalayas are all places we can find metamorphic rock. All right, so we're gonna take this rock and we are gonna take it around the classroom. Go ahead and feel it, look at it, see the characteristics about that rock. What is that?
It looks like it could have been a sedimentary
Oh, it does.
rock
It looks similar, huh?
to